make pumpkin curry, white pumpkin curry. I hope you all will like the curry. So if you are new to my channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon also. This is the pumpkin. I'm going to make curry with this. I hope you all will like it. So come on, let us start with the recipe. I will roast some dhania and some jeera. I will roast this and grind it up fine. I will use this in the pumpkin curry, in the white pumpkin curry. I have taken masalas for the white pumpkin curry, that is jeera, red chilies, dry red chilies, some garam masala, ginger, garlic, black pepper. All this I will grind it on the stone. First I will grind the roasted masala, that is dhania and jeera. I will grind it dry. Now I'll take this out. I made this into a powder. Now first I will grind the jeera, black pepper, chilies and the garam masala. I will grind this first and take it out, and then grind the ginger garlic. Now I will move this masala from the stone. This is ground up. Now grind the ginger garlic. I have taken 2 big size onions. This I will need for the curry. So I will slice the onions. First I'll put it in the water. I put it in the water for 2 minutes. Now I will slice the onions. The pumpkin also is cut up. You can see the pumpkin. This size I have cut the pumpkin. To make the white pumpkin curry, put some mustard oil. Put in the sliced onion. Put 3 bay leaves and fry the onions. The onions are fried up. Now I will put in the masala which I have ground. Put some turmeric powder and fry the masala. The masala is fried up nicely. Now I will put in the white pumpkin, that is kaddu. Mix the masala and the white pumpkin nicely. Put some salt to taste and cover it till it cooks up tender. I won't put water because this pumpkin will leave water. It will cook up in its own water. The pumpkin is almost cooked. Now I will put in some chopped tomatoes. Again I will cover it for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Friends, this pumpkin curry will be very tasty to eat and it's made very differently. You all should try it once. Now I am going to put the roasted masala, that is dhania and jeera powder. This roasted masala which I am putting, this will give it a nice flavor and it will be very tasty to eat. White pumpkin curry is ready and it will be very tasty.